I am just walking over to do a talk today that I'm really excited about. It's going to be on ADHD and autism and psychology here in Greece. And by the way, I should have started this with Kalimera, the butchered version of good morning here, but in kind of my horrible accent that I have not been able to pick up a lot of Greece while I've been here. I've got like 3 words at this point, all pronounced equally horribly. Anyway, so I'm about to do a talk at the Ionian University on ADHD, autism, psychology, elements of entrepreneurship, business, and it's also around the projects that we're working on here for women trailblazing, where we're helping train the university students here to go into the high schools and teach the kids tech and entrepreneur skills, especially focusing on women. So doing that, but also enjoying the amazingness that is life here. I discovered a whole new fruit while I've been in Greece called kumquats. This is kumquat marmalade jelly stuff, which is so cool. It's essentially like a tiny orange that you like smush up a little bit and then you can eat whole with the peel, which I did not know that. I peeled many kumquats when I first got here and was like, this is so much work, and then apparently you chew them and the skin's the best part. So wow, that was a whole fruit I did not know existed. Anyway, so I'm at the university, I'm about to do the talk. It's really cool. We have actually a local TV station that's going to be totally filming the whole thing, and it's scheduled to be 4 hours long, which is incredibly long, so probably will be more like 2 or 3 hours, but if I get the live recording, I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. And I've just been super impressed with Corfu, Greece. I love everything. The people are incredibly kind. I've connected with a bunch of awesome people also doing really great things for this island. Like this woman who threw a discotheque to raise money for the local schools, and these people creating a local, the people filming us creating a local TV station, try to tie together all the things on the island, and really, really high level quality. So I'm just feeling really lucky to be here and really glad that this is my path, especially as a person with ADHD and autism, and it's really tough for a lot of us to be out there doing what we're passionate about, so I feel really, really lucky. So I guess off to educate and make friends. I'm only here for another couple days, so there's lots of work to be done. Anyway, thanks for thanks for taking this moment with me. I have to go meet someone for tea. Lots and lots of tea and sandwiches. Sandwiches made of huge baguettes that are incredibly delicious and fresh, so poor me.